Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update. Got another piece of the puzzle for the 71 Sweptline. Got the new vacuum advance from Tony's Parts. Box is kind of tattered. Let's put it on. So it's pretty simple to change one of these. All I got to do, pop off the distributor cap, set it aside. I'm going to go ahead and pull the rotor off just so you can kind of see what's going on a little bit better. This one's pretty easy. Would have been easier if I took the air cleaner off, but that's all right. Oh, I dropped the screw. Anyhow, it just pops out of there like that. Alright, you can't see it because this Pertronics unit here has got the hole covered up, but there's a hole in that breaker plate that this pin on the vacuum advance arm goes into. So we're just gonna go in through the hole here, through the side of the distributor. Okay, so I just had to use my other hand and hold that breaker plate a little bit, but you know it's engaged when you can move it back and forth, and it moves that breaker plate like that. And all we got to do is put our screws back in. All right, screws are back in. Let's put a vacuum line on it. There, you can see it work. Vacuum line hooked up, and that's it. That's how easy it is to change a vacuum advance. Have a good one. Later.